This is Jason Johnson, and today we're going to show you how to make a purchase through the Van ISD web store. First thing you're going to want to do is log into the Van ISD website. That address is, of course, vanisd.org. Once that page loads, you see across the top different links. We're going to the link that says Parents and Students. In the Parents and Students link, there are two places from which you can access the Van ISD store: Skyward Access and the Van ISD web store. Let's look at Skyward Access first. You need to log into Skyward Access using your credentials. If you do not have credentials, you would get these credentials from the administration building. Over here on the left-hand side, you see a number of links available to you: discipline, report card, health information. You can click on any of these to find out information about your student. What we're interested in today is the fee management link, so we're going to click right here. And this will bring up any fees that are on my child's account. Right now you can see that I have a zero balance on my account because I have paid this year's iPad fees, which we now call technology fees since high school students use Chromebooks. And I have already paid my class dues for this year for both students. So you can see there is an amount charged column, an amount paid column, and an amount due column. If I did have an amount due, I would come right here to the Make a Payment link. Click on that. That's going to bring up anything on my account that is a required fee, and then I also have optional fees as well. Since I've paid all of my required fees, I'm going to show you how to pay using an optional fee. An optional fee, an example of one of these would be a parking pass. So I've actually already added one of these to my cart. So now we're going to go look at it in the cart. There you can see it is, and now I'm ready to check out. So I'd hit that checkout tab, and then you would verify your billing information, your address, your debit or credit card number, make sure everything looks correct, and then you would simply hit place order. So that's one way to do it. That's how you would do it in Skyward. If I wanted to do it simply through the Van ISD web store link, I'm coming back to the page here, the Van ISD page. I'll click on Van ISD web store. And you will be prompted to set up an account here if you haven't done that already. That's a one-time thing. You'll need to set up your email address, which will be your username and a password. But once you're in, this will be the look that you'll get. I would come over here to Skyward Student Fee Payments. And then you've seen this through Skyward Family Access already. So it's the same look, it's just two different ways to get there. Again, you would add it to your cart. It's in your cart, and then you would simply go to checkout. Or you could continue shopping. Once we're in checkout, I'm verifying if everything looks correct. Then I'm hitting place order. Hope this has been helpful. Remember, if you pay your technology fee before September the 3rd, it is simply $25. If you wait until after September the 3rd, the price goes to its regular charge of $35. Thank you. Have a good day.